Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Dota 2 in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. Dota 2 is a 5 versus 5 game where your main goal is to destroy the enemy ancient, the big structure inside their base. However, destroys the ancient first wins the match. At start, you pick a hero. Each hero has different skills. So at top, tap on heroes. From here, you can select hero. For beginners, choose simple heroes like sniper, lead. They are easy to learn and very forgiving. There are 3 lanes: top, mid, and bottom. A normal team has roles: carry, needs farm, mid, strong early game, and offlane tanky. If you are new, start as support or play safe lane. They are easy to understand. In the early game, kill creeps for gold and XP. Avoid dying, stay near your tower. Use spells to farm or defend. Support should pull, can place ward, and protect the carry. Buy items that match your hero. For beginners, sniper is close to dragon lance or maelstrom. Support boost wards utility item. Use the recommended item tab if you are unsure. And that's it. That's Dota 2 in the simplest terms. Pick an easy hero, farm safely, follow your team, and push the ancient. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.